AcuCore is really the complete foundation of the balance method in the spirit of how Dr. Tan was teaching it. I teach it with a lot of details. What is used more in clinic to the more detail, to what is more important to know until we get to the precision. Okay, so what is really important about the AcuCore is if you want to really understand the why of the balance method and get all the golden rules, how to use it very, very effectively in your clinic. We go through all the systems, we go through the golden rules, how to apply acupuncture in a very effective way. We go through tips, advices, we explain in very much detail all the images, the projections, the mirrors, how to be accurate in all the 3 dimensions from your diagnosis to your needling. And this is a class that I really recommend for the people who want to have high quality knowledge in the balance method. And with this class you're able to treat, I would say, 85% of what you see every day in clinic. So it's a very, very powerful class for common clinical disorders.